It's the end of the world. Back to the street where we began. Feeling as good as love. You could, you can.
What is your favorite Christmas movie? The Holiday.
Elf.
The live action Grinch. The Christmas Story.
And we know that it could be, and we know that it should, and you know that you feel it.
My New Year's resolution is to be better friends with Jacob Royce.
To make more money. I want to make more bag. That's what I want to do.
New Year's resolution is to do my physical therapy.
My New Year's resolution is to stop procrastinating.
My goal is to get stronger.
And it's not in the afternoon. Your eyes are the size of the moon. You could 'cause you can, so you do. We're feeling so good. Back to the street, down to our feet, losing the feeling of feeling unique. Do you know what I mean?
What is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Brawl Days on Brawl Stars.
Watch Barbie Perfect Christmas.
And now I know what I mean. Back to the street, back to the place, back to the room where it all began. Eyes of the moon, you're good 'cause you can, so you do. We're feeling so good, just the way that we do when it's not in the afternoon.